Welcome to the Register app. This is a simple tool that allows you to manage your orders, manage your inventory, and maintain a digital daybook for your restaurant, cafe, hotel, hostel, or even if you're a small kirana store. To use the application, you first need to log in. Since I have my login details already saved, I land directly onto the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see that there are two main things. Number one is that you can create an order. Number two is that you can take a pay in or you can give a payout. By pay in, we mean all the money that comes into your counter, and payout means all the money that goes out of your counter. Suppose a customer walks into your store or a cafe and orders for a black coffee. In that case, you will first click on New Order. Once you click on New Order, either the customer is going to be an existing customer who has visited you in the past, or he's going to be a new customer. So suppose in this case it is a new customer. Give the details of the customer like his name, his email ID, his phone number, and if you want any description about the customer, you can give that description here as well. In this case, I choose not to give any description to the customer. Once I click on create, I land back on my create order page. I click on this drop down. I select the customer. Once I select the customer, since the customer ordered for a black coffee, I choose black coffee. He ordered for one black coffee. He could have ordered for 5 of them. We could have just changed the quantity. Here in this case, he's ordered for one. So we'll choose one and we'll click on complete order. Once we click on complete order, we land on this page which shows the list of all the orders. Okay. And gives the details of each order. So this is the latest order that we have placed, and the status of the order is unpaid. So suppose the customer wants to pay the money for the order. You click on mark complete. Once you click on mark complete, the details of the order are already filled. The amount of the order is there. You choose the category of the payment. In this case, it's the payment for the cafe. You choose the mode of the payment. In this case, suppose the customer wants to pay by cash. You click on update. The order gets placed. Once the order gets placed, you get a notification on Telegram application. It says, on this date, this time, this order number was placed by this customer, and this is what he ordered in this quantity, and this is the gross amount. Once the order is placed, it gets added to your Daybook. This is the order that we had placed, and it is added as a pay-in into your Daybook. So now I'll tell you about the second most important feature of this tool, and that is a digital daybook. This digital daybook is simply a feature that allows you to maintain your daybook on a digital record. So suppose you're running a hotel and a customer walks in and he is willing to stay in a dealer's private room and he pays through cash to you. So as soon as you receive the cash, instead of making the entry on a physical register, which is cumbersome to look at 1 month down the line when your accounts team is trying to look at the numbers, it's better to keep that record online. To keep that record online, all you have to do is, through our application, all you have to do is click on add pay in. Suppose the customer is paying 5,000 rupees. You can write any description. You can write any description about this, but for since we are testing it, we'll write test. You can choose the category of the payment. It can be anything. In this case, it's room payment. So I click on room payment. I click on the method through which I'm receiving this payment, and I click on create. Now, as soon as I click on create, I get an entry here, and at the same time, I receive a notification on Telegram. You can also download this application on your mobile phone. Now you can see that there is a new pay-in entry which is added to Daybook. It is added on this date. This is the description. It's room payment category. It's paid in cash, and this is the total amount. Right? So if you are a business owner and if you are basically not at the premise of your property, or if you're somewhere else, or if you're traveling, you will always get to know as to how much money is coming in and how much money that is going out of your galla on daily basis. Right? So similarly, you can also do a payout entry, and in that case as well, there will be a Telegram notification that will